Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Fauzan dari Ikom 15 2A 07 pagi. Judul saya tentang Software and Operating System, Project Bahasa Inggris UTS. Exploring the dynamics of software and operating system. The evolution of software and operating system reflects advancement in technology and the pursuit of better user experience. It began with base-oriented system using vacuum tubes, progressed struggles transition enabling multi-programming and integrated Cirtaceous facility timing sharing systems. The advance of microprocessors introduced personal computer with user-friendly integrated network computing and graphical interface markets the 50th generation, while mobile and cloud computing domain the 6th. The 7th generation focus on edge companies and I2. Understanding this evolution is crucial of both developers and users to navigate the changing landscape of computing efficiently. What is software? Software is a set of instructions and data that enable computers to program special text or function. It encompasses program scripts and author scalable files that tell the computer hardware what to do. Asian software acts as an intermediary better in use and the computer hardware, allowing users to interact with the system in a complex various tasks such as word browsing, web browser, gaming, and more. Definition of software and its pivotal role in computing. Categorization of software into system software and application software. Example of popular software categories. Definition of software and its pivotal role in computing. Software is a collection of instructions that tell a computer what to do. It's a critical component in computing as it provides the instructions that directs the computer hardware to perform various functions. Software plays a pivotal role in computing by enabling the computer to execute task, manage resources, and interact with users. Categorization of software into system software and application software. The categorization of software into system software and application software is a foundational functional software. Again, that categorization is based on the primary functions and purpose of the software, which dynamics how interact with the computer, hardware, and user. Examples of popular software categories: application software, system software, program software, device software, freeware, shareware, open source software, closed source software. Understand operating system. Understand operating system is critical for effective computer usage and software development. An operating system (OS) is the software that manages and controls the component hardware and other software application. It acts as interface with the computer without needing to know the interface of the hardware itself. Types of operating system. Single user operating system. These are designed for use by a single user at a time. Example include Windows and macOS. Multi-user operating system. These are designed for use by multiple users simultaneously. Examples include Unix and Linux. Multitasking operating system. There are designed to support multitask or program running concurrently. Examples include Windows and Mac OS. Real-time operating system. Tests are designed for use in applications where timely responses are critical, such as in embedded system or control system. Examples include VxWorks and QNX. Evolution of operating system. First generation, 2. Second generation, 3. Third generation, 4. Fifth generation. First generation. The first generation of operating system emerged during the early stage of electronic computing system. User understood wide computing structure, postcards of purpose, loads, and the computer followed the instruction profit. The ROS worked by limited compatible and was primarily also for security and military applications. Second generation. The second generation introduced bit processing. We are job or tasks with accelerate quality. This generation saw the development of high-level programs languages like COBOL and Proton, making it essential to write programs for computers. However, the operating system was still not interactive, and users had to rely on operator to manage the computer. Third generation of operating system introduced the concept of time sharing, allow multiple users to access a single computer simultaneously. These are also saw significant advancement in hardware technology, include the introduction of integrated digitization and microprocessors that led of fast processing speed and increased memory capacity, enabling more complex operations and multitasking capabilities. The fourth generation of operating system is characterized by the usage of graphical user interface atau GUIs, which provide user instructions that are also show the experience of operating system into various devices from mobile to wearables and integration of official integration AI in requires. Importance of choosing the right OS. Choosing the right operating system or OS is critical for the smooth functioning of a computer system. Hardware compatibility. That OS must be compatible with hardware and software to prevent crashes on areas. Security. A secure OS protects against cyber threats inside system and that stay. Programs and applications OS and the processing speed and system responsiveness. Cost. Considering OS cost and further helps optimization resolution. User experience are user-friendly interface both production and software. Scalability. There are solve a commodity system growing without promising loss. Support. Reliability support. Service and quick issue resolution. In summary, selection the right OS ensure efficiency, security, and performance. Features like compatible security, performance, cost, user experience, scalability, and support are critical consideration. Importance of choosing the right OS. Software enhances productivity through various means such as automation, collaboration tools, access to information, stimulate process data management, cloud computing, and remote work compatibility. By leveraging software, tasks can be accomplished faster and more efficiently. Time combination become smart and access to data become easier. This transformation, how we work and commercial briefing activity accelerates diverse interests and work in performance. Challenge in software development. Software development is a complex field with numerous challenges that development face on a daily basis. Here are some of the most common changes. Change requirement can change regularly during the development progress, allowing to prescribe and implementing project timelines and budget. Technical complexity. Modern software systems are often highly complex, involving number, interface components, technologies, and programmers. Managing this complexity can be a significant challenge. Resource contrasting. Contrast source time budgets and human resources can limit the development process and hinder the ability to develop high quality software and sold. Quality assurance. Ensuring the quality of software through testing and debugging is crucial, but can be time consuming and crucial ineffective. Security. Yes, software system become include integrated security violation, post signature trace development must control access and access security trust toward the development lifecycle. Compatibility and interoperability ensure this software works quality across diverse device operating system and programs can to be challenging compatibility with the variety of technologies in use today. Scalability. Building software that can handle growing user-led and data volumes requires careful planning and design to ensure that performance remains acceptable as the system scales. Maintainability. Over time, software needs to be maintained and updated to fix budgets, adapt features, and adapt to changing requirements. Maintenance is essential for long-term success. Team collaboration. Collaboration among team members specialized in community coordination on project management are essential for success. Legacy system integration. Integration of software with existing legacy system can be complex, requiring careful planning and conscious of compatibility and data migration issues. User experience. Building software that provides user experience requires understanding user needs and profit and designer targeted blessing function with usability can be a challenge. Technical debt. Rushing to meet deadlines of cutting corners can lead to the accumulation of tester debt which can slow down development and reduce the long-term maintainability of the software. Security navigation details requires a combination of digital experience, effective program management, and strong community and collaboration skill. Feature trends in software and OS. Feature trends in software and operating system are happening by technology advances and user needs. Key trends include cloud computing, growing adapter for scalability and cost savings, AI and ML, enhancing software with prediction, frequency, and security. LOT, expanding clarity, requesting efficient data management. Versi, and agile computer, fast data transfer, and real-time processing. Quantum computing improve processing power for complex text. Cybersecurity focus on AI-powered solution and encryption. Open secure software includes accessibility and collaboration. CRISPR from development, seamless integration across devices, AR and VR, enhancing user experience, sustainability, providing eco-friendly processes. This trend drive in innovation and driven elevation challenge. Oke, thank you. Sekian dari saya Muhammad Fauzan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.